How to schedule Facebook post without a tool. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so let's get started. Start by heading over to your Facebook app. Once you're in this page, head over to menu at the bottom right corner and then head over to your Facebook page. Tap on Switch. Once you're on your Facebook page, now click on this plus icon at the bottom of the screen. Select any of the photo and video that you want to schedule. Inside your gallery, you'll get to see all of your saved photos and videos. Select one that you want to post and schedule it. Once you have selected, tap on Next. And you can enter the caption for this post. Write whatever you feel about it. Once you have entered the caption, now tap on Next at the top right corner. Here you'll see the option of scheduling options. Tap on it. And then click on Schedule for later. Now select the specific time that you want to post and schedule. Once you have selected, simply click on Save at the top right corner of the screen. Now this post will automatically be posted in the time duration that you have set. So that's a wrap for this video. If it was helpful, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.